Hi, my name's Chris Pegg. I'm Senior Conservation Ecologist here at the Nature Conservancy in Colorado, and I just want to take a minute to tell you how excited we are about this new revolution with technological solutions to some of our problems. And one of the most exciting advances that we've got is that now, instead of just having people working on computer systems, we have technology right in our office with our TIS staff that are actually working with us side by side in the field, helping us see things that the science community and on-the-ground folks haven't seen before, at the same time getting that ground truthing that the TIS folks need to really understand what they need to be looking at through their technology. So this is an exciting time of discovery, and whether it be working with birds to change management solutions like our Bobolink project, or whether it's doing remote sensing of grassland condition, or whether we're actually doing reconnaissance in places and making it happen much more rapidly than we've ever done before.
Hi, my name is Terry Schultz, and I'm a Senior Conservation Ecologist with the Nature Conservancy of Colorado. I'm going to tell you a little bit about our Bobolink project. Bobolinks are a medium-sized bird that are really tied to wetland vegetation, and they have declined 50% over the last 50 years, so they are a bird of concern. In Colorado, they tend to nest in irrigated hay meadows, and their young fledge about the time that the farmers and ranchers want to cut their hay. So there's an issue there and a potential land use conflict. And so we wanted to see if we could use technology to identify where bird nests are and potentially avoid those areas in the hay fields. And the reason technology made sense was that we had a master's student who studied bobolinks on our Carpenter Ranch Preserve in western Colorado and determined that when she walked in and looked at the birds, some of those mesopredators, those raccoons and foxes and such, would follow her trail in and would predate on the young birds. And so we wanted to know that there were bobolinks in different parts of the fields without actually having to go and look at the nest itself. So technology seemed like a good way to do that. And by being able to identify the birds, and it was successful, we were able to identify birds nesting in the fields. We would be able to say, here's where they are, and let's not hay an area around those nests.
Hello, my name is Gustavo Lozada, and I am the Technology and Information System Operation Manager, also known as TISM, for Wyoming and Colorado. I've been working with TNC for the last 8 years, and it's still a dream come true after being a supporter of TNC since I was in college, to be able to integrate what I studied in college with my passion of ecology and conservation. In this opportunity, we use a FLIR camera mounted in a gimbal and a customized quadcopter. As a licensed pilot, I was able to get all the permits from the FAA and local airport to fly at night when we can get a better contrast between the ground temperature and any animal, in this case, bobolink nest. We then identified several images that we suspected were bobolink nests, and our GIS team proceeded to map those locations for the experts on site to double check if the images were bobolink nests or not. At the end, the data was very accurate, and now other agencies are interested in using this technology for their own conservation projects.
Big fans of the TIS department in Colorado. You guys have been really great. One example that comes to my mind is when Gustavo Lozada buying our first drone. We have incorporated 3 years ago the drone technology in Colorado into our grazing work, into our forestry work, and lately into our water work. Thank you so much. Way to go. Way to bring innovation to the chapter. Looking forward to working together for years to come. Thanks.